Hello friends, and welcome to the most awaited video of Travel Tech, and this video is regarding how you can get a real HUD display, a heads-up display in your car. It doesn't matter which car you have, it might be any car. If you have a clean dashboard on your car, you can definitely get this HUD display on your car. Now there are basic things which you require in order to create this HUD display, and one of those things is the hardware for this HUD display. Now you do get certain HUD displays online also, wherein you can buy that thing and make it fit on the dashboard and you get a sort of a HUD display, but sometimes it requires that you need some wire cutting and you need to attach it to some headlight display or the dimmer in order for the HUD display to work. But the way I am going to show you right now in this, you don't need to attach the wire. There are no wires involved, there are no cables involved, there is no wire cutting or any sort of a dashboard damage or any sort of that thing. You can directly plug it and play, and you can remove it anytime you want. And that display is this. Now currently I am using this Lenovo Yoga tab display. Now I had this tab with me for a long time and I was not using it, and it was lying idle with me, so I thought, why not make an idea and make a HUD display out of this tab. So it does not necessarily mean that you need to have this particular tab. You can have any tablet, or even if you have a spare smartphone or any dummy smartphone lying with you which you are not using, you can use that and try to make a HUD display. But it is more preferred that if you have a tab, you will get a larger screen area, and the HUD display being projected on the screen will be a bit larger if you have a tablet display. And even if you do use a smartphone, that will also still work, but the HUD display will be a very small display being reflected on the windshield, and if you're fine with that, then I guess then it won't be an issue. So the first thing which you need in order to create a HUD display is that you need a spare tablet preferably, or you need a spare smartphone which you can use as a replacement or as a main hardware for the HUD display for fitting in your car. Now this is the first primary thing which you need, and the second thing and the most important thing which you need is this double-sided tape. You get this in any stationery shop. It will cost you around 10 rupees, that's all. So you need to get this double-sided tape so that you can stick the pad or the smartphone onto the digipad. Yes, it is that simple. You don't need to do anything else except that putting this sellotape, this double-sided tape on the tab and sticking it on the dashboard. So once you do that, your HUD display hardware setup is done, and the only thing which is left to do is to turn on the tab and make the HUD display appear on the windshield. Now once you have zeroed in on a particular tab or a smartphone, then the next thing which you need to do in order to create a HUD display is open up your tab and turn it on and head to the Google Play Store. So now let me just show you right now. I'll head to the Google Play Store right here in my tab, and once that opens, you need to download and install an app which is extremely necessary and important for creating a HUD display, and that app is none other than the one which I've already showed you while installing in the digipad. It is the DigiHUD app. So this app I have already shown as a installation process for the digipad as well. You can install this app in the digipad and use the digipad itself as a HUD display, and in case you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave a link in the description below. So you need to download the same app, this DigiHUD speedometer app, the first one which is showing right there. So just click on that and click on the install button. Since I have already installed it in my tab, it's showing as an open button. So I'll just go ahead and open the app. So once you click on the open button, it is going to open like this. Your app surface will open up and the app display is going to open up, and it is going to show you a very beautiful display. And let me just go ahead and change the bit of a color so that you can see it properly. I'll change the display color to white. So right now, as you can see, the display color has been changed, and because of my GPS variation, it is already showing some speed as 1 and 5 because the tablet is moving around and the GPS satellites are trying to catch up that. So once this is done, once you have downloaded and installed this particular app, you can see the display is being already shown on the screen. You can do this with the smartphone as well, with any smartphone. Preferably if you have an AMOLED smartphone, AMOLED screen smartphone, that is going to create a more visually appealing look for the HUD. And even if you don't have an AMOLED smartphone, it is fine. You can have a LCD display as well. Even that is going to give you a pretty decent result. So once you have downloaded and installed this app, what you need to do is just go ahead, find a proper surface on the dashboard and just place it on the dashboard like this. So once you have placed the dashboard tablet or your smartphone on the dashboard, just press on it, because you have placed a double-sided tape on the tab, if you remember. So you just need to place a double-sided tape. Now in case I didn't show you that, so this is what you need to do. Have placed a double-sided tape right on back of the tab on the top portion and also on the bottom portion. So once you have done that, you need to go ahead. Now I just went into the YouTube. I'll just change it back to the DigiHUD app right now. Yes, so one more thing which you need to do while doing this is that you need to change the display to a HUD mode. That HUD view is going to make a mirror view of the display, so that when you reflect it off the screen, it doesn't appear in reverse and you can see it properly. So once I go and fit in right here on the dashboard, so the previous video which I had shown you, I had placed it in the same manner. So just press it on the dashboard, press it gently, both the sides of the tape, and there you go. The tablet is fit on the dashboard. It is not moving at all. So even if you drive harshly, even if you drive on a very bumpy road, this tape is going to hold well and it is going to reflect whatever is being seen on the screen. So right now, because it's very bright daylight, we cannot appreciate what is going on the display right now, because the bright sunlight is going to mask out the HUD display, and this is going to work only at night and only in a very dim light situations, and especially at night. As you might have seen in my previous video, it is going to reflect off very well and you are going to get a real HUD display in your car on your dashboard. So this is something you need to do. It's a basic do-it-yourself kind of a project, and if you're really interested in getting a HUD display at a low cost, without any damage to the car, without any wire cutting, or without any sort of issue with the car, you can try this method. You can try alternate method which I have showed you right now. Just get a smartphone or preferably a tablet, and if you don't have a tablet, I'll give you some of the links in the description of this video. Some of the cheap tablets which you can buy, which you can use as a HUD display for your car. And of course you are going to use that in the further videos as well, which I'm going to bring on my channel. That tablet or spare smartphone or the tablet which you're going to buy for this, or you already have, is going to be used in my further videos. So that do keep it safe with you, so that in my further videos I am going to show you how to use that spare tablet or smartphone for different purposes of your car. So once you have done that, you just need to place that tab or your smartphone on the dashboard using that double-sided tape, and just place it in a way so that it stays stable right there. So even when you're driving the car, the tape is going to hold well, and whenever you want, if you just pull it out, the tablet is going to come out easily, and you can remove the tape as well. So it's not going to create any sort of a damage on the tablet or the smartphone or on the car as well. Even the dashboard is not going to get any sort of a damage, and there is no wire cutting involved. There is no sort of a involvement of the car's engine or the battery involved. So it is entirely safe. It is completely under warranty, so there is no issue to worry about. It's a small do-it-yourself project. You can do this at your home. You can do this when you have a spare time, and if you can find a spare tablet, and if you can find a spare smartphone to use particularly for this purpose, then you can do it very easily. Just go ahead, download the DigiHUD app and install it. Make sure you click on the HUD mode and stick on the tape and put it on the dashboard. Now since I have put it right there, now I'm going to show you just a sample of how it is going to look at night, which you have already seen in my previous video, but again I'm going to show you right here. And once you have seen this, I think you can get convinced. I think you can decide if you want this in your car or not. And if you want this, I just showed you the entire procedure of how exactly that is to be done. So that's it, guys. This is the way you can get a real HUD display in your car. It is very cheap. Does not involve any sort of wire cutting. It does not involve any sort of harm to your car. You just need a spare smartphone or a tablet, and you can get this off on your car. And of course there are various customization options in that app. You can customize the color, the location, the display size, and everything. You can change everything. You can make it being displayed on the digipad as well, along with the windscreen, or you can make it only being displayed on the windscreen, and you can use the alternate speedometer here or the visualizer, whichever you prefer it to be. So this is how you can do it. This is do-it-yourself project. So if you do this in your car, do make sure you post some photographs or post some videos and show me how you have done it in your car, which smartphone or which tablet you have used, and how the effect is going to be in your car, and how you are feeling after you have installed it. So that's it, guys. Signing off for now. This is Travel Tech. I hope you liked this video, and if you did like this, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding the HUD display, you can write in the comments below, and I'll try to get back as soon as possible. So hoping you liked the video, hoping you subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna sign off now. Have a great day.